Good morning, everybody. I've just received my cargo. Hey, Mr. Biolov, you have got your delivery. Okay, what's this? Yeah, my Raspberry Pis have just arrived. Let's see what we have got. Oh my God, this is Raspberry Pi 3 with a nylon, and it's well packaged. And look, this is Sam Technology. Thank you very much, Sam Technology. This is Raspberry Pi. Let's see what's inside in this first unboxing video. Cool. Wow. What is this? Huh? Do you know what this is? What is this? This is Raspberry Pi P0W. Raspberry Pi P0W. Why it's different from Raspberry Pi P0? It's the reason it has camera extension. Thanks to the camera extension, I can now connect camera directly to this motherboard. Yeah, this is motherboard. This board is very fantastic because it only costs $5.5 at its release time. I got exactly the same cost for this. Yeah, this is from 2015. Even though it's released in 2015, I've already get Raspberry Pi 0, and this is my second chance for Raspberry Pi 0 because I wanted to get Raspberry Pi 0W. So what we have got, actually this is the correct form, because HDMI we have got, this is micro mini, so yes, isn't it? It should be micro anyway, I couldn't remember it this time, but we have got a HDMI display socket, and this is micro SD card slot. This is our main core LPDA, and this is for USB. This is for power input and energy input here, and we have got camera extension. Can I open it? Okay. Oops. Yeah. Pull up, then it's ready to close. Okay, just put it, then it's okay. Clips. This is Raspberry Pi 0 version 1.3, as we call the Raspberry Pi 0W. Cool. And also there is that pin. And how about another delivery in this package is Raspberry Pi 3 model B+. Let's open it. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. I just wake up, maybe you may hear my voice a little bit robotic, but cool. Oh no, it's damaged the box, but even though they have bubbles, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. Raspberry Pi 0 Model B Plus by Element 14. And let's see what we have got. 65-bit quad-core ARM version 8 CPU and 2.5 and 5 GHz. That's important. I've used to develop applications with Bluetooth version 2.4. It's called as BLE. Raspberry Pi is a trademark of the Raspberry Pi Foundation, and also yesterday was National Raspberry Pi Day. Let's open. Can I open? No, I can't open from here. So where to open? This isn't. No. Hey, they changed the. Hey, it says open here. Oh my God. Ah, cool. They changed the order of unboxing. Cool. This is my Raspberry Pi 0. Okay. They like to put it over here like this. Okay, what's in there? Let's see. Okay, we have got nothing. What's this? This is Raspberry Pi safety instructions. Cool. Okay, and it's really long. Oh, so let me check it out. Do we have Turkish in there or not? or I can read English for you. Let me see first. Sorry, we haven't got Turkish. This is my mother language. But we have got English. It says this is Raspberry Pi safety instructions and quick start guide designed by Raspberry Pi Foundation from United Kingdom, Cambridge. Yeah, this is the motherland of Raspberry Pi. And important, please retain this information for future reference. As you can see, we have got some reference. To avoid malfunction or damage to your Raspberry Pi, please observe the following. Getting started and another language. Alright. So, let's say welcome to Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus. This is brand new car and it's released worldwide. So it's announced yesterday. I received it today. That's amazing, super fast. And what's this? It's a little bit dusty. Oh, we have got some dirt on it. I didn't know why, but what we have actually, Ethernet port. They says this is super fast than other versions, or the other old versions. And we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 USB slot, general input output, 40 pins, and display slot. Okay, I may try it later. Cool. Okay, and this is power in, and they said no need from now on this power slot, because you can give energy via Ethernet directly to this Raspberry Pi, they says. And we have got normal, as you can remember, we have got mini or micro, I couldn't remember it this time, but it should be mini HDMI on Raspberry Pi 0W version 1.3. And this is the classic one. This is normal, I mean, in terms of usage among folk, you know. This is normal HDMI. And what we have got, this is camera pin, audio jack, and this part is responsible for this Ethernet slot, Ethernet input, and also generic inputs of USBs. Okay. And we have got analog output from this pin, and these are generic for input and output pins. This is Broadcom. Wow, Broadcom. Can you see it? I think you can hear. Yeah, it's directly BCM. So BCW, Broadcom's BCW chip inside, and it's a metallic surface. And it's really big among the other parts. And we have got amazing logo with Raspberry Pi. This is a brand new added. Let me show you the old Raspberry Pi. I mean Raspberry Pi 2 or 3 with for you. And on the backyard we have got a micro USB slot and LP chip. Let me compare with other release of Raspberry Pi. Alright, this is Raspberry Pi camera board. Let me unbox it for you. I owned this before. It seems like that. And also we have got black noir of this, but this is normal, you know, just standard version of Raspberry Pi camera. It seems like that. Yeah, Raspberry Pi camera revision 1.3, and these are the pins. How about Raspberry Pi 0? I own this already. That's fine. And this is Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. What we have got inside is this. Oh, it's a little bit dusty. Cool. But let's compare and let's say goodbye after this comparison. Cool. So I may record some new video on Raspberry Pi. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and goodbye.